Tiga.
Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. My name is Holisa. What's your name?
My name is Naila.
What about
Hi,
you? Nice to meet you.
My name is Dini
What's your
Dwi
name?
Alia, Miss.
Oh, nice to meet you.
my
So,
name is Asadila, Miss.
okay, nice to meet you too. So first of all, let's learn some common greetings. So repeat after me. Hello, good morning. How are you?
Hello, good morning.
Hello,
How
good
are you?
morning. How are you?
Good. Now, if someone says, how are you? You can say, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good. Let's practice. First, Naila. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great job. Now, in English, if you need help, you can say, excuse me if you want to ask something. Sorry if you make a mistake. And for example, where is the bathroom if you are looking for something. So now let's practice. So you can say, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Let's say it together.
Excuse me, where is the
Excuse me,
bathroom?
where is the bathroom?
Perfect. Now let's act it out. Imagine you are in a store. I choose Alia.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's over there
Thank you.
on the sec. You're welcome. Very good. Now let's learn some question. Repeat after me. How old are you? Where are you from? Do you like something?
How old are
How
you?
old are you? Where are you
Where are you
from?
from? Do you
Do
like
you like
Do you
something?
like
something?
something?
Now let's practice in pairs. I choose Naila and Salsabila.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old. And you?
I'm 20 years old.
Nice work. Keep going. Now let's put everything together. Where is a short dialogue? Listen first. Hello, my name is Halisa. What's your name? Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. And you? I am 28. Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. And you? I'm from Canada. Now let's practice in pairs. Great job today, everyone. Before we go, let's review. How do you say hello in English?
Hello.
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 How do you ask for help?
Excuse me.
Excuse
Excuse
me.
me.
Very good. For homework, write 5 sentences introducing yourself and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank
See you
you.
later,
See you
Thank
later.
you,
Miss.
Miss.